Hello, I am Vikrant. An electronic device, when fed with the numbers, rearrange them in a particular order, following certain rules. The following is a step-by-step process of rearrangement for the given input of numbers. The question is, if input is 13, 9, 17, 25, 11, 22, then what would be step 5? The input is 13, 9, 17, 25, 11, 22. Now, as per the question, what will be the step 5? Now, step 1, what we have to do basically, if you observe the given set, add all the digits of the input, that is 3 plus 1 gives 4, 9 as it is, 7 plus 1, 8, 5 plus 2, 7, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. This will be the step 1. Now, step 2 will be 2 times the input, that is 13 into 2, 26, 9 into 2, 18, 17 into 2, that is 34, 25 into 2, that is 50, 11 into 2, that is 22, 22 into 2, that is 44. The third step will be square of the numbers of step 1, that is 4 square, 16, 9 square, 81, 8 square, 64, 7 square, 49, 2 square, 4, 4 square, 16. The step 4 will be sum of the digits of the step 3. 6 plus 1, 7, 8 plus 1, 9, 6 plus 4, 10, 4 plus 9, 13, 4 as it is, 6 plus 1, 7. Now if we look at the step 5, it will be input plus 12, that is 13 plus 12, 25, 9 plus 12, 21, 17 plus 12, 29, 25 plus 12, then we will be having 25 plus 12, that is 37, then 11 plus 12, that is 23, and then 22 plus 12, that is 34. So this is the required set which is given to us: 25, 21, 29, 37, 23, 34. As per the question, it is in the option 1. Answer therefore turns on to be 1. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is input 10, 7, 17, 23, 25, 30. Which of the following is step 3? The solution is, if we look at the input which is given to us in the question, it is 10, 7, 17, 23, 25, 30. If you look at step 1, from the given input we can analyze in the question that in the first step you have to add all the numbers one by one, that is 1 plus 0, 1, 7 as it is, 7 plus 1, 8, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 3 plus 0, that gives you 3. In step 2, it is 2 times the input, that is 10 into 2, 20, 7 into 2, 14, 17 into 2, that is 34, 23 into 2, that is 46, 25 into 2, that is 50, and it is 30, that is 30 into 2, that is 60. So in step 3, it will be square of the numbers of step 1, that is 1, 49, 8 square is 64, 5 square 25, 7 square 49, and 3 square is 9. So this is the required step which we want. So the answer therefore turns on to be 2nd. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, if input is 6, 16, 26, 37, 43, 52, then which step will show 9, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4? Solution is, if you look at the given input, that is 6, 16, 26, 37, 43, 52. If you look at step 1, we have to add all the digits here, that is 6 as it is, 6 plus 1, 7, 2 plus 6, 8, 7 plus 3, 10, 4 plus 3, 7, 5 plus 2, that is 7. If you look at step 2, it is 2 times the input, that is 6 into 2, 12, 16 into 2, that is 32, 26 into 2, that is 52, 37 into 2, that is 74, 43 into 2, that is 86, 52 into 2, that is 104. Step 3 will be square of the number of steps 1, that is 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 10 square 100, 7 square 49 and 7 square 49. And step 4 will be sum of the digits of step 3, that is 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 4, that is 13, 13, that is 3 plus 1, again 4, 6 plus 4, 10, 1 plus 0, again 1, this is again 1, and 9 plus 4, 13, 3 plus 1 again gives you 4, and 9 plus 4, 13, that again gives you 4. So this is the required step which we can get it from the here. So answer therefore turns on to be fourth step, that is third. Thank you.